Onas, guarded by David. Onas, intercepted by David. It's a same ball. It's the last dance violation to be with jersey number 5. Pampanga.
5 check to shoot. 5 check to shoot.
Kamat to Natsma. Guarded by the Gray and Natsma. Wala. It's Dragon's ball. Pampanga. Guarded by Bustos to Lagreya. Lagreya to Kunanan. Kunanan guarded by Mr. Muhammad. Back to Lagreya. Back to David. Guarded by Mr. Ahmad. To
10 check to shoot. 10 check to shoot.
Bustos guarded by Natsma. Bustos is a one-on-one.
5 check to shoot.
By Natsma. Nakalusot. Wala. Rebound by Onas. Onas to Diretso. Guarded by Lagreya. Onas to Kaman. Guarded by Bustos. Double team. It's an offensive foul by jersey number 7. Jay Kaman. I'm sorry. Jersey number 19, Muhammad. Lagreya Bustos, guarded by Unas. Back to Lagreya, to Enriquez. Enriquez, wala. David, Onas. Kaman, diretso. To Natsma. There's a foul. Jersey number 5. David, first personal foul, first team foul. Ay, shout out. Ayan.
10 check to shoot.
Muhammad to David. To Kaman.
5 check to shoot.
Kaman to Natsma. Intercepted by Lagreya. Diretso.
Nice shot by Lagreya.
Natsma. To Onas. Guarded by Lagreya.
14 to shoot.
Natsma. Diretso to Kunanan. Natsma.
Nice shot by Natsma.
Score 5-2. It's a 3-point lead. Sige lang, kami pa bahala pa rito sa committee. Isa may delay lang. Bustos.
14 to shoot.
Bustos to Lagreya to David. To intercepted by Muhammad. Onas to Diretso. Onas to Kaman to Onas. It's an easy basket.
Nice shot. Unas.
Alright. Magpunta na. Lagreya. Wala. Rebound by Muhammad to Kaman. To Onas to Natsma. To Onas. Wala. Rebound by Lagreya. Onas to Kaman. Substitution. Who's ball? Yep. Foul rep. Bustos. First personal foul. Substitution. Banat in. David out.
Second team foul.
Onas to Natsma. Wala. It's Bustos to Enriquez, back to Bustos. Bustos is looking for a pass to Lagreya to Enriquez. Basket.
Nice shot by Enriquez.
Onas, diretso. To Natsma.
So hindi nakita.
Intercepted by Lagreya. Intercepted by Karan to Enriquez. Enriquez.
Nice shot by Enriquez.
At 6-7. It's a 1-point lead by Maguindanao. It's the first 1-point lead remaining time for the first quarter of the game, 4 minutes and 11 seconds. This is a semi-final match, main game between Pampanga and Maguindanao. The winner of this team, of this game, will be facing the final match of Bicol Volcanoes. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Najma. Najma. Back to Onas. Onas.
14 to shoot.
Onas, make it a Wala. Rebound by Najma. Najma.
Nice shot by Najma.
2 points by Najma. Bustos. Bustos to Enriquez.
14 to shoot.
Enriquez. Wala. Kunanan. It's an easy 2 by Kunanan.
Nice shot by Kunanan.
Sapin. Back to Kaman. Sapin intercepted by Lagrea. Lagrea to Enriquez.
Oy! Anong nangyari kay Idol?
Sapin. Sapin. To Onas. To Najma.
Nice shot.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 57 seconds.
Galing.
Score 11-10.
11.
14 to shoot.
Sakto kay
Najma.
kay Kaman.
To Karan. Karan to the downtown. Wala. Rebound by, it's the same ball by Maguindanao. Sapin to Najma. Najma carried by Kunanan. Najma is looking for a pass.
5 seconds to shoot.
Pass to Onas. From the downtown.
3-point by Unas. Yan! Galing ng kamay.
Grabe! You're watching us live. Yes. Nakafeed po tayo ngayon sa ating official FB page, IPBL Inter-Province Basketball League. Could you please share the live? Bakit walang scoreboard sa live ngayon? Mayroon, hulat-hulat pa lang. Ganun ba? Yung scoreboard? Okay, alright. Sorry.
10-14.
Okay. Mayroon. Lagyan natin. Manual mo na tayo. Manual mo na tayo, Lord. Sige, okay lang. 10-14. Is a 4-point lead by grabe. 160 billion ang nanonood sa ngayon. Ha? On counting. Salam, Kuya Mike Moro, sabi ni Nino Dimal. Lakas ng Pampanga. Regards, Kuya Wahab. Oh, very good. Sige. Sa Canada to sila. Very good, ha? O, standby shoutout sa inyo, Lord. Balakbakan, Aman. Balakbakan is a one-on-one. Ha? Matindi ito ang bumagka, diba? Under versus Hollow Blocks.
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
10-14. Keep on sharing the live, guys. Keep on sharing. Yes. Kunanan. Wala. Matindi. Kaman, guided by Bustos. Kaman. Dire-diretso kay Bustos. Hindi pinakawalan. Onas from the downtown. Wala. Sapin. Sapin sumalpan. Kundatsma.
10 seconds to shoot.
Nadsma. Nadsma. Ang tindi. Grabe.
3 point by Nadsma.
17-10. Kundanan. Dire-diretso. Wala. Balakbak. It's a license violation committed by jersey number 15, Aman. Shout out Sir DJ. O yan. Nakamute kayo. Sino nakamute? Wala. Nakamute ba tayo? Hindi meron. Baka ikaw nakamute tayo. Yung tenga mo lang. Panik. Tingnan mo yung ano mo.
Nice shot.
It's 2 points. Ayusin mo lang yung signal mo dyan tayo. Hindi sa amin ang problema. Okay. Nadsma. Nadsma. To Onas again. Wala. Nadsma. Saglit lang. Just start mo Alright. Score natin. 12-17. 12 for Pampanga. Maguindanao 17. I'm sorry, naghang lang po. Okay. Thank you for reminding us. Tama din po sila. Sige, okay yan. Okay yan. Tama yan. Okay. Thank you for reminding us. Yan. 17-12. 17-12. It's a 5-point lead. We have an official tabulator dito. May score sheet tayo. Don't worry. Bustos, carried by Nadsma. Sino halata? Grabe ka naman makasabi sa akin. Taman. Shout out sa 200 na nanood sa ngayon. Ahmad, could you please share the live? Ahmad, could you share the live please? Alright, thank you. Okay. Alright. Bustos is a 12-19. It's a 7 Bustos. Bustos kami Ahmad. Intercepted. Dire-diretso. Atake. Okay, nasusin. Hindi na umabot.
Score natin 12-19.
Alright, that was the end of the first quarter. Huwag ka naman sabihin halata kami